Okay, let's get into this, the jetting weather calculator. If you need to convert meters to feet, you can use this calculator out here. Just click on meters, type in what you want, and it'll show you the equivalent in feet. And same thing with Celsius. The temperature in Celsius will show in Fahrenheit. Let's start with my example. Let's say I've got a 75 main jet, and I'm at 500 feet, and the humidity is typically 65, and the temperature during most of my riding season is about 75, and I don't use gasoline with ethanol. So what I want to do is put this reset number right here into the correction factor. And now the needed main jet is the same as the number that you already entered. These are showing the same. This is what you want. Okay, so this is your baseline. This is assuming that you've already read the plug and you've got a nice chocolate brown color. If it's black, you need to go to a lower main jet, and if it's kind of a tannish color, you need to go to higher main jet. When you've got that main jet just right, then use this calculator, because you need a baseline to work from in the future. So once you've got your baseline down, just go ahead and record the spreadsheet. It's an Excel spreadsheet. And let's say you want to go riding in November, and the typical temperature in November is 40 degrees. And the humidity is higher. Let's say it's 80%. Now it's saying that you need 2 points more on the main jet. You had a 75 in as ideal during the summer, and now for fall riding you need a 77. So once it says that, don't save it. Just close the program when you're done, and because you've already got the baseline saved. And that's all there is to it. This Excel spreadsheet is free, and the link is in the description. Thanks for watching.